Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Keynote and you begin with purpose. Pick a template that fits your message, then set the canvas to 16:9 if you'll present on modern screens. Import logos, high-res images, and confirm font availability so you won't chase assets later. Next, make a one-page outline of your story and drag slide thumbnails into a logical order. This first structure gives you a clear path. Once done, lock your master slides so styles remain consistent. You now focus on composition. Apply master slides to enforce brand colors, consistent headers, and safe text margins so every slide reads the same way. Add images with masks and subtle fades, 0, 5 to 1, 0 second to keep attention without distracting. Replace dense paragraphs with bullets, 1 or 2 key stats, and readable fonts. Contrast and whitespace matter. Once visuals are placed, build simple build animations to reveal points in order and rehearse, pacing out loud. You finish by rehearsing in play mode. Time each slide, speak with your presenter notes, and adjust transitions so your flow feels conversational. Export a PDF and a PowerPoint backup, then test those files on the actual projector or display you'll use to confirm aspect ratio and font rendering. Save incremental versions and enable iCloud or autosave so you can roll back if needed. If a font or image breaks, replace with a system font or embed the image, then recheck immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.